How to minimize YouTube on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your profile located at bottom right, and then click on Settings located at top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on General, which is the first option. And then in here you will find picture to picture mode. As you can see, picture in picture, turn that on. I have just overlaid the picture because that is not available on my region. Simply turn on picture in picture, and then when you open a video and go back, you'll be able to see your YouTube minimized. And this is how to minimize YouTube on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.